Each year, manufacturers report children's products with chemicals that are considered high concern. In this video, we'll go over how to search the database for chemicals in children's products that have been reported to the state of Vermont. Start by clicking the Search for a Product button on our webpage. This will take you to the database. Here are some tips for searching. Company means the manufacturer. Brand name is typically the name on the product. The product model may be the description associated with the Universal Product Code, or UPC, number. The UPC is a 12-digit barcode number. Not all products have a UPC. Searches can include a date range based on when the report was submitted. To start a search, go to the buttons next to Type and select Company, Brand Name, Product Model, or UPC. Use the UPC to get the most direct results. A text box will appear for you to type in the name or code you are searching for. You can also put in a date range where it says, Date Report Submitted. Then, click the large red search button. Click the filter icon next to any column to sort or filter search results. You can sort in ascending or descending order, add or remove columns by checking or unchecking the columns you want to see, and search for or filter keywords. If you want to export your search results, you can click the buttons above the table on the left of the page to download an Excel or .csv file. The option to download an Excel file may be grayed out if the number of rows in the search results is over Excel's row limit. Any column filters you use in your search cannot be applied when exporting to a CSV file. You may get a notification that data will take time to download or be prompted to choose a download location. Let's try an example search. We'll try searching with an example UPC code first. Type the 12-digit UPC into the search box. Click the Search button to see results. Looks like we found a product with that UPC code. You can also search by product model. Let's try selecting this option and typing our example product model name into the search box. There's our example product again. Now let's try searching by company name. We'll select this option and type in our example company name. Now we can see all the results for products submitted by this company. For more information on how to use the data system, go to the top toolbar and select Help. From here, you can see user guides, frequently asked questions, and learn more about the high-priority chemicals data system. If you have questions about the Vermont Chemical Disclosure Program, you can contact us at chemicaldisclosure@vermont.gov.